attire. The captains of all the team. Okay. Registered for the first edition. The third edition has 183 players. 73 new players have registered. It's a tournament where young and old rub shoulders, the energy, the youth of the teams will be going out all guns blazing on the Anjuna cricket ground. It all begins on 19th of December. Third edition of Shapora Premier League. We take this. These are the wonderful jerseys that all the
a trophy program wherein we had a guest ex-minister Sri Dayanand Mandrekar and plus other dignitaries who were present here. And the venue which we have selected was a W Goa. We have seen so many activities or functions which are taking place here, and we are very thankful to the W Goa Hotels for providing to organize this function. We are very thankful to, especially for the security manager of the W Goa.
Mahesh United, Kaisu Scorpions, Valator Rock Warriors, Jai Ganesh Warriors. Arjuna Chance, Savitri Legends, and the three new teams which are added to this edition of Shapora Premier League: Ocean Kings, Armstrong Arjuna, and Shapora Thunders. A huge round of applause for all these teams. This is the beautiful attire in which they will be fighting it out. And the efforts that are put in by our organizing team. Also, to mention the sponsors without whom this event and the whole tournament wouldn't have been a reality. Also, our media partners. Thank you, everyone, guys. It's been a privilege. A huge round of applause for the beautiful trophy that the teams will be playing for. Thank you.
My name is Nilesh Sodankar, and for the last 3 years we are organizing the Shapora Premier League, and this year we have started the preparation from August only, and looking at the response of the players, we have increased the teams from 8 to 12. Earlier we had only 8 teams wherein we had registered only 140 players around, but We have seen the tremendous response from the players from Shapora, Anjuna and Badem area. So these are the players have increased from 140 to 180. So that's why we have increased the number of teams from 8 to 12. And we are going to start this tournament. It is a 10 overs tournament, actually tennis ball tournament. And we are starting this tournament from 19 December onwards. Every day we will have 6 matches. And the tournament will go till mid of February. The matches will be played on Sundays and holidays. And so considering that the dates we have finalized almost like a mid of 14th of February will be the final leg. So but depends on the situation. But as per our schedule, we have planned it on 14th Feb of 2021 as the final of the SPL 3.
Tennis ball cricket.
Yeah, tennis ball cricket. It is known as T10 tennis ball cricket tournament. T10.
या एसपीएल ऑर्गनायज करा म्हटल्या नंतर एक साधारण गोष्ट न्हू म्हाका दिसता ही जी ऑर्गनायझिंग टीम आहा ही जवळ जवळ फाटले 2 म्हयने जाले काम करता हेच्या फाटल्यान 2 म्हयने आनी 2 म्हयन्यांत ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी एक एक करीत म्हणजे टिमी 8 आसल्यो तेचे वरसून 12 म्हणजे पार्टिसिपेशन आहा पळय हेतून जवळजवळ 8 आणि 12 म्हटल्यानंतर 4 टिमी वाडल्यो जवळजवळ 35-40% इन्क्रीज आणि हे पार्टिसिपेशन आसतना भुरगे ऑटोमॅटीक 4 टिमी वाडप म्हणजे 60 आनी भुरगे वाडले म्हणजे 60 भुरग्यांक आनी नवीन 60 भुरग्यांक संदी मेळ्ळी हांगा खेळपाची अशा पद्दतीन ते हांगा एक टोर्नामेंट ऑर्गनायज करता आनी त्यांच्या बद्दल सांगपाचें आनी कांय ना खरेंच बऱ्या पद्दतीन तेचें ऑर्गनायझेशन आसता सगळे मॅनेजमेंट सगळे सारके ठाक ठीक आसता जे खंयच कोणाचे प्रॉब्लेम ना कांय ना आनी बऱ्या पद्दतीन ते सगळे ते घेवन वयतले हांव ताका परत शापोरा बादे आनी अंजुना हे सगळे भुरगे हे एसपीएलाचे आयोजन करता तांकां तेचे सगळ्यांचें अभिनंदन करता मना पासून अभिनंदन करता कारण एक ही जी ऑर्गनायझिंग कमिटी आहा अशा पद्दतीचे टोर्नामेंट सारके शिस्तबद्ध ऑर्गनायज करप हें खरेंच तेंचे वरसून शिकोवंक जाय एक बऱ्या पद्दतीन टोर्नामेंट कसो आसता हो प्रश्न ना टोर्नामेंटाक प्रायजीस मनी कितें आसता तेकाय इम्पोर्टंट ना एकदां कितें आसता आमी खूब टोर्नामेंट पळयता खूब प्रायजीस मनी आसता सो तें कन्फ्युजन सगळो बोबाळ कांयच येना खंयच शिस्त दिसना डिसिप्लीन ही खंय दिसना हांव पेडण्यान वयता खूब टोर्नामेंट हे करपाक प्रायजीस मनी कितें 1.5 लाख आसता फर्स्ट प्रायज मोठी प्रायज ना पूण बोबाळ सगळो निमाणे कशें आसता एक टोर्नामेंट सोंपताना खंय तरी उशीर जाताना खंय तरी मागीर ते गॅस्ट आहा कोण बक्षिसां घेता कितें कोणाक उलोवपूय मेळना आनी बाबा तुज्याक हे सगळे टोर्नामेंट आमी ऑर्गनायज करता तेच्या फाटलो मेन हेतू कितें अरे जी ऑर्गनायझिंग कमिटी आहा ह्या कमिटीन तेचे कडसून आमकां अपेक्षा कितें तेंच्यांनी आमी आमच्या भुरग्यांक लागून कितें करता हें पयलीं सांगपाचें आज ज्या पद्दतीन हांगा एकट्यान उलयतना वेगवेगळे विशय आहा ते सगळे लोकां पर्यंत उपस्थिती थोडी आहा समजूंक शकता कारण सगळ्यांत व्हडलें हेल्थ इज वेल्थ आनी फिटनेस ह्या भुरग्यांक जर आमी बरें हे करतले तयार करतले तर अशा पद्दतीचे टोर्नामेंट करपाची गरज आसा आनी ते शिस्तबद्ध एक कितें खेळोंक जाय आमी खंयतून हाडले प्लेयर खेळयले आनी गेले अशें ना उपकार ना